LUNC faces another massive pullout. LUNC faces another huge amount of money being taken away from Terra Classic. Now, within the period of 24 hours, just in one day, over $53 million has been pulled out of Terra Classic coin. I mean, this is a lot of money. Last time we recorded about 63 million, and there was a time we recorded within 3 days over 200, and as of now we are recording about 53 million, and most of this is coming from Binance, and these have continued. The market cap have continued to drop, and very soon LUNC will be entering the $400 market cap. Wow. And I'm surprised to see a coin that just a few weeks ago we are talking about $1.3 billion, and now close to 900 million have been taken out. And as of last year, towards the end of last year, or towards 2 months at the end of last year, LUNC hit about $3 billion market cap. Okay. And that simply means they've lost a lot. They've lost over $2.5 billion. Yes, $2.5 billion. I mean, this is a lot of money for Terra Classic LUNC. This is a lot of money. It's not easy getting such market cap. It's not easy getting people pulling in money into LUNC, and now we are still talking about Terra Classic market cap trading below $500 million soon. And I don't, all this, I believe that if something can be done, it has to be done fast, because right now a lot of people, many more people will see pulled out. We have been recording this mass pull out at once. It's sometimes the first one we talk about 63, now we talk about 53. Imagine another 100 being pulling out. This definitely is not good for LUNC coin. It's not good. This is not the right time, because coins have been experiencing a lot. Bitcoin started rising and then started falling once again. After hitting over $30,000, BTC dropped to about 27,000 plus. So this is not the right time. Assume it's the time crypto coins are really rising. I believe it will help to push LUNC a little bit forward, and people might, at least it will also happen the past few days when LUNC hit over 8% increase in price, and we also what happened that day. A lot of money was pumped back into Terra Classic. Close to $50 million was pumped back into Terra Classic. See, so what Terra Classic needs right now is just pump, rise, and gradually, if they keep rising till the next 7 days, and let's maintain, a bullish trend in 7 days. Don't be surprised to see the market cap hitting over $700 to $800 million. And if they maintain a high increase, it will go beyond $1 billion market cap. But let's hope to see if something like this can happen to Terra Classic LUNC. And I believe if coins like SRP that have a lot of issues, people keeping pumping in money, that this coin maintain the top crypto coins, the top 6. I also believe yes, something can be done for LUNC coin. Let's hope for the best, and Binance have continued to show their support, and I believe many money will continue. And Bitcoin, I believe this week, this coming week, BTC definitely going to pump. Bitcoin is ready to pump. Based on Bitcoin statistics, take a look at technical and fundamental analysis for Bitcoin. You see that we are expecting a rise soon, and I believe if that rise comes in, it will help Terra Classic LUNC. Okay, and Ethereum also, of course, we saw Ethereum have been trading the past few days, and other many coins. So I believe that before the end of this month, something good will happen, something different will happen for Terra Classic and other crypto coins. The world are now accepting cryptocurrency, and I believe if many more companies will keep accepting cryptocurrency, if many more companies will keep accepting crypto-based payment, I think in the next few years to come, we are going to have crypto being widely used than local currencies in terms of transaction, especially international transactions. Yes, you see big companies like Amazon, you see big companies like eBay, you see a lot of big companies from accepting crypto-based payments, because that is one of the fastest way. And so the bank charges these days is a lot, so some people don't want to go through these bank charges. They prefer paying with their cryptocurrency. So I believe by the time many industries will accept, other competitors will have no option than to accept cryptocurrency currency, as a crypto-based payment too. And let's hope for this, and I believe this will help crypto industry in the future. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like this video, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.